Good day, my name is Adriel F. Bulye, and today I'm going to share my personal financial literacy video. So going back in my elementary days, I always see myself as a student who is not very particular on finance, was not very ambitious back then regarding on my desired professions of becoming a teacher, a lawyer, nurse, a doctor, or even an engineer, but a businessman because I always wanted to inherit the businesses of my parents. So one practice that I actually applied in my elementary days is the 50-30-20 budget rule, which means 50% goes to my needs, 30% goes to my wants, and 20% goes to my savings. I realized that it is really an effective way of allocating my money in my day-to-day basis. I learned a lot of things from basic finance. It includes the financial statements and reports, the financial statements analysis, and the financial assets and time value of money. First thing first is the financial statements and reports. We all know that it includes the balance sheet and the cash flow. It tells whether the business is getting into a good shape or not. It tells on how should the business operates from its revenues depending on its assets. If I apply it in my day-to-day life, if I am updated in my financial statements, I am also allowing myself to be updated in my personal growth or in my personal health problems, whether it has improved or not. Second topic is the analyzing the financial statements. This is the process of analyzing the financial statements for decision-making purposes. It includes the understanding of the overall welfare of the organization, depending on its performance and its reputation. This is also beneficial for me to, whenever problem comes, I am able to mobilize solutions faster. Last topic is the financial assets and the time value of money. This is the topic that I'm most favorable of. This is because I learned that I can generate money through the use of my assets. Assets like stocks, buildings, the use of bonds, and etc. This is where I can generate money through the use of assets like my rental properties, or even in commercial buildings. If they want to rent my property, I can generate assets from it. That is why I do not work for money, money works for me. That is why this is the favorable topic that I'm most certain of.
To be completely honest, in the pandemic, I had less exposure on social engagements. In quite some time, um, I was very inactive on my social media accounts like Twitter, Messenger, Facebook, and even Instagram. One thing that I'm most grateful of in this pandemic is I learned a lot of things for myself, and not only for myself, but also from other people's engagements and experiences as well. I'm grateful for having a business kind of mindset. It is because I read the book by Robert Kiyosaki, which is The Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Rich Dad means having a rich kind of mindset, and Poor Dad means having a poor kind of mindset. After reading the book of Rich Dad and Poor Dad, my whole life changed. I had a different kind of perspective of how I see life. So, in my current situation right now, I wanted to invest in my personal development, want to invest in reading books and a lot of things that can help in my personal development. Um, it is because I read the quote from um, Robert Kiyosaki. You cannot get what you want, but you get what you are. That is why I wanted to improve my personal development of improving my abilities, um, to seek my potential in doing businesses, and a lot more. One thing that I wanted to learn is the use of passive income. This is like having a rental properties that can generate money through the use of my assets. From this, I wanted to invest in most of certain things. For my current situation, my personal development. But in the future years, I wanted to improve my knowledge of real estate properties. And so that's it for my financial literacy video. I hope you enjoyed watching and see you soon. My name is Adriel F. Gulye, and this is the end of my video. Thank you.